Have you ever clicked on a link on your phone, watched a white screen for about 3 or 4 seconds, and then just hit the back button? Of course you have, we all have. In the modern internet age, we have zero patience. This behavior has a name. In the industry, we call it the 3-second rule, and if your website is on the wrong side of this rule, your business is bleeding money right this second, and you might not even know it. Here is the brutal truth. Nobody cares how good your content is if they never see it. Nobody cares how great your product is if the checkout page times out. Google released a massive study on mobile page speeds that analyzed millions of sessions. Here is what they found. As page load time goes from 1 second to 3 seconds, the probability of a bounce, that's a user leaving, immediately increases by 32%. If it goes from 1 second to 5 seconds, the probability of a bounce increases by 90%. 90%. That means if your site takes 5 seconds to load on a 4G connection, you are effectively telling 9 out of 10 people to go away. Think about the effort you put into getting traffic. You spend hours writing articles. You spend hard-earned money on Facebook or Google Ads. You hustle on social media to get that one click. You did the hard part. You got them 2 click. And then, your cheap hosting provider wastes it all because their server takes 2 seconds just to wake up. This is the silent killer of online businesses. It's called time to first byte, or TTFB, on a shared hosting plan, the kind that costs $3 or $4 a month. Your website is sitting in a queue. When a visitor clicks your link, the server has to finish processing requests for hundreds of other sites before it gets to yours. That creates a delay. That white screen. That's your customer waiting in line, and they won't wait long. This is exactly where Kinsta changes the game. They don't use that outdated, queued-up infrastructure. Kinsta is built on Google Cloud's premium tier network using C to compute-optimized machines. What does that mean in English? It means when a user clicks your link, the server responds instantly. There is no queue. Kinsta also uses something called nginx and server-level caching. Basically, Kinsta memorizes your website and keeps it ready to hand out at a moment's notice. The result? You stay under the 3-second rule. When someone clicks, the content appears. They start reading. They engage. They buy. Lower bounce rates mean higher time on site. Higher time on site signals to Google that your content is valuable, which boosts your SEO rankings. And obviously, if people stay on your site, they are infinitely more likely to buy your product or click your affiliate links. Speed isn't just a technical feature for tech nerds. Speed is a marketing strategy. It is a revenue strategy. If you are tired of watching your bounce rate climb and your sales flatline, you need to fix your foundation. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. Check out the link in the description to see Kinsta's plans. They have a dashboard where you can actually see the difference in performance. Don't let a slow server be the reason you fail. Thanks for watching.